Hello, I am back. After gaining so much force from the chi, I definitely feel like I'm ready to move on to the next step. Teaching your other family members how to do the dab. Listen. This is going to be extremely hard. I hope you know that. Doing that squatting dab when you actually touch the floor is hard enough. Now we've got to do it with this. Teddy? Teddy! He's not extremely respondent, but he definitely knows how to dab, okay? So you grab their paw, make sure they have it, and then you pursue to make them dab. Okay, ready, Teddy? Ready? If you didn't see that then, he just done one of the most simplest dabs, but for a dog, that was extremely well done. Well done, Teddy. Okay. Let's do another one. So you just done a nice dab to start the day. This is extremely needed for your training to be with the chi. But listen, being with the chi is hard. It's extremely rewarding, but it is slightly hard. But I definitely feel like if you practice enough, you can definitely become one of the few chi masters in the world. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but I'm saying it's going to be worth it. Now, this video was sponsored by Snickers. These beverages contain extremely these beverages contain extremely delicious substances, extremely handy to consume, and yeah, it's extremely tasty. I'll be demonstrating on how to consume these. So you open it from the top. Okay, once the device is out, you can pursue to You're not you when you're hungry, and nor are you with the chi. Snickers. Get some nuts.